7 Quick Ways to Make Money Investing $1,000. Hello guys, welcome to our channel Crypto Flyer. If you're sitting on at least $1,000 and it's scratching an itch in your pocket, consider investing it rather than spending it on something frivolous. But the question that then beckons us is, can you really make money quickly investing with just $1,000? That is the resounding yes. While there are plenty of ways you can make money fast by doing odd jobs or generating it through things like affiliate marketing or email marketing, actually making money by investing with just $1,000 might present more challenges, and frankly, more risks. This is unless you are a professional. However, all risks aside, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck, you still may be able to conjure up $1,000 to put towards an investment if you're creative. Before you dive in, there are some mindset principles that you need to adhere to. It is important to get beyond the scarcity mentality. Many of us live our lives believing that there isn't enough. We believe that we don't have enough money, time, connections, or opportunities to live life to the fullest. It's a belief system. Think and you shall become. If you think you can't get rich or even make a sizable amount of money by investing it into lucrative short-term investment vehicles, then it's much more of a mindset issue than anything else. These strategies don't require you to invest large sums of money. Yes, it would be nice to have more money to invest. It's not essential. All you have to do is scale as long as you've identified the best strategy for you. It's like building an online offer, optimizing it for conversion, and then scaling it out. You will continue to invest dollars if you know that you can make $2 from $1 of investment. Start small. You can try different approaches. Keep track of your results and analyze them. Don't get so caught up on how you're going to get wildly rich overnight. It won't happen. If you are able to leverage any of these methods to make money investing in small, brief bursts, you will be able to scale your business. It doesn't take too much to do it. You can make money with $1,000 you have to invest. There are certain methods that work better than others. Speed is the keyword here. These are not long-term, hold-in strategies. These are great if you want to invest your capital for at least 2 to 5 years. We're talking about ways you can make money fast. Even though markets may take longer to move or have longer cycles than others, investing can often result in realized profits and quick gains if you leverage the right strategies. What is the best strategy? Sure, long-term works. Real estate and other time-intensive strategies will eventually get you there. Rogi Horner of Simpler Futures believes that long-term interest rates will be the next big trade. Jim Cramer of Mad Money says that plenty of people don't follow trends and take up a trend that is no longer fashionable. You're more likely to lose everything if you jump in and out of long-term investment like this than if your short-term plays are timed correctly. It's not about being the first to catch the latest trends. It's not about being a webinar guru, like Jason Fladlin and Liz Benny, or building sales funnels or optimizing conversions. It's more about paying attention to indicators that will move the needle in the near term than the long term when you invest your money. It is also about how to leverage and hedge your investments without taking too much risk. However, this doesn't mean you don't need to have a long-term strategy. Yes, you do. The following investment strategies may help you create momentum and can quickly generate capital in the short term. Play the stock market. Day trading is not for the faint of heart. It requires determination and perseverance. Understanding the market forces at work is key. This is not something for the faint of heart. However, this is an easy way to quickly make significant amounts of money in a short time span with very little investment if you are skilled and knowledgeable. You can also hedge your stock market bets. You can set stop-loss limits, regardless of whether you trade penny stocks or the general market. This will reduce any chance of significant depreciation. If you are an experienced trader, then you will likely know that market makers move stocks to exploit our fear of failure and our greed. They will often drive a stock down at a price in order to increase their fear and to play into their pockets. This is even more true when it comes to penny stocks. You need to be able to analyze market forces and understand your own actions to make substantial gains. Pay attention to the moving averages. Often, when stocks break through 200-day moving averages, there's potential for either a large upside or a big downside. Related, what causes stock market crashes? Too much testosterone, science says. 1. 2. Invest in a money-making program. It is one of your best investments. Although you may not pinpoint a return on your investment, there is no better way to spend money. Invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. Learn. Learn. Develop. Find your passion. There are many money-making online courses. It is difficult to choose the right course. There are many options, from ebooks to search engine optimization, social media marketing, and more, including ebooks. Although there are many money-making gurus on social media, not all courses will be the same. Make sure you do your research and take the time to find the right course for you. 1. Commodities can be traded. Rare opportunities exist to trade commodities such as gold and silver, especially when they are trading at the lower end of their 5-year range. These metrics give an indication of where commodities may be headed. Carolyn Borodin of Fibonacci Queen says, I have long-term support and timing in the silver markets because silver is a solid hedge on inflation. Additionally, silver and other commodities are tangible assets that people can keep. Economic fundamentals determine the price of commodities. Prices rise when there is less supply. Prices can be severely affected by disruptions to the supply chain. A scarcity of livestock, for example, can have a significant impact on prices. But, meat and livestock are only one type of commodity. Other commodities include metals, energy, and agriculture. You can invest in an exchange such as the Chicago Mercantile Exchange or the London Metal Exchange. There are many others. Often, investing in commodities means investing in futures contracts. It's a prearranged agreement to purchase a certain quantity at a particular price in the future. These leveraged contracts can have huge upside potential but also large potential downsides. Be careful. Related, what Starbucks teaches about marketing commodity products. 1. Trade cryptocurrencies. The popularity of cryptocurrencies is on the rise. Although trading them may seem risky, it is possible to limit the potential for losses if you hedge your bets. You can trade cryptocurrencies on a variety of platforms. Before you jump in, make sure to educate yourself. You can find courses on Udemy, Kajabi, or Teachable. Learn the intricacies in trading of Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, and other commodities. There are more than 3,000 cryptocurrencies in existence today, but only a few really matter. Look for trading patterns and breakouts of long-term moving averages before you start trading. To make actual trades, you can use exchanges such as Coinbase, Kraken, or Sex.io. Related, 6 cryptocurrencies you should know about, and none of them are Bitcoin. 1. Use peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is a popular investment option. Although you won't make much investment in peer-to-peer networks, it is possible to make some money. What lending platform do you use? Many lending platforms are available today, but Prosper, Peerform, and Lending Club are the most popular. This is how it works. You can lend small amounts of capital to individuals or businesses through peer-to-peer lending platforms. In return, you earn an interest rate. The algorithms do most of the work, so you get more money than if you put it in savings. Once you have identified the offer, it is time to do some research and decide whether or not you want to take the deal. Your risk will be evaluated using a proprietary algorithm, which includes credit history and employment. You'll then be able to make an informed decision about whether to invest. Related, why peer-to-peer lending could be a good investment choice. 1. Trade options. When it comes to options, Tom Sosnoff at Tastyworks says, trade small and trade often. Which type of trade should you make? There are many vehicles available, including stocks and forex. When it comes to investing, the best way to make money is to invest around 15 days before corporates announce earnings. Which type of investment should you make? It's all about money. The best time to sell money calls is the day prior to the company's earnings release. The excitement surrounding earnings can drive up the price and make you a consistent winner. Don't wait for the earnings to come in. That's a gamble you don't want to take if you're not a seasoned investor, says John Carter from Simpler Trading. 1. Flip real estate contracts. Making money with real estate might seem like a long-term prospect, but it's not. You can make quick money by investing as little as $500 or $1,000 in real estate contracts flipping. How do you do it? Use a system like Kent Clothier's review first to understand how the market works. This will give you the data and tools needed to identify vacant properties, distressed sellers, and cash buyers. Most people believe that you can win real estate by flipping old homes and renovating them yourself. However, flipping the contract is the best way to make real estate money. Arbitrage is what it means. It's arbitrage. Identify motivated buyers and sellers, then bring them together to broker the deal. Although it may seem strange at first, once you become proficient with the strategy, you will be able to scale up your business and become a major player in the real estate market. It works and is endorsed by some of the most successful real estate investors in the world. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe our channel.